Hello, S2 student, it's Miss San again. So now I'm going to show you how you can trace your image by using your iPad. And for those students who doesn't have any tracing paper at home, or you don't even print out your image, you have to use this method. You can use on your iPad or also your mobile phone. Okay. So first of all, tune the brightness, okay, of your iPad or phone into the brightest, okay? And then afterward, then you make sure that you have downloaded the picture that you're going to use, okay? After downloading it, then we have to edit the photo to make a very big contrast of the photograph. So go to Edit, and then find the button which is called Contrast. So here, you can see the contrast button. And afterward, you can tune until the contrast is very, very strong. Okay, so make sure that it is strong enough in order to have a clear features of the face before you trace it. Okay, after that, you just press done. Okay, so then I have a very, very clear image. So afterward, then you just go back to the main menu. Now the problem is if I trace it directly by using the pencil and put the A4 paper, as I don't have the tracing paper, and the screen will move, you know what I mean? So it is very not stable and not convenient. So now I'm going to show you how you can lock the screen. So please go to the setting and then find the category called Accessibility. Okay? So for accessibility here, it is a blue button with a man inside. And then afterwards, scroll down, then you will find there's a letter called Guided Access. Guided Access. Usually on your mobile phone or your iPad, the guided access is locked. So now you need to unlock it. Turn it on. And then it will ask you for a password. It's up to you. For me, I just keep it simple, 1 to 6, okay? So you can set on your own. After setting all those things, then you can go back to the main menu. Find back your photograph, which you have edited it, right? Okay? And then now you have to do a trick here with the main button here. Press it triple. That means 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so then you will see there's a letter called Guided Access. That means it's working now. But the iPad is asking you to circle area on the screen you would like to disable. That means which area you would like to lock it. Okay, so for me, I will draw the teachers first. So I just use my fingertip to circle the area that I'm going to draw. And you can also see that on the corner part, you can adjust the size to make sure that it covers up all the area that you would like to lock. And then afterward, then you can just press the button Start. And it will ask you to enter the code twice. Okay, so afterward, then you will find that you can see the teacher here is locked up. Okay, so even though there's a shade of area on the top, but don't be afraid because I have edited the photo into a big contrast so I can still see her face very clearly. And then because you don't have a tracing paper, so what you can do is just use your A4 paper to put on the top of your image and then start to draw. So comparatively, the effect won't be good as if you have the tracing paper, but this is the only method that I can think of to help you. Okay, so next time make sure that you prepare your materials well before the lesson.
Okay, so what you need to do is just try your very best. Sometimes you need to use your imagination because the line is not clearly shown. But I remember the teacher's eye is wide open, and then he has a very long hair. Okay. So see, I'm trying my very best to indicate all the things, okay? So I won't trace all the things on the paper, but you can tell what I'm doing, right? Okay.
So after tracing the figure, just like what you have the tracing paper that I have shown, okay? You also need to go through those steps, that is flip it over and then shade the area. However, because you are using an A4 paper, so when you flip it over, you can still find some pencil mark here, even though it's not that clear. 所以你都係照掃嘅 ，OK？ 咁你掃個範圍大啲咯，冇辦法啦，因為你冇牛油紙啦，咁樣盡量掃得幾多得幾多啦 ，OK？ So shade the area with a layer of charcoal, and okay, just like what I have shown you before, just put it back on your postcard, the frame, okay? Adjust the area, okay? For example, if you want to put it here, and then use blue ball pencil to redraw all the lines again, okay? Redraw all the lines again, and then it will be copied on your sketchbook. Finally, use your liner, just like me, to outline all those areas that you have drawn. Okay, understand? I hope that even you don't have tracing paper, you can use this method to do your work. Okay, last but not least, don't forget, because we have a special setting now, so we have to unlock the screen. How to unlock? Okay, after tracing all the things, again, press 3 times of the button, and then it will ask you to enter the code again, and then you just cross out all the things and click end. Then the guided access will be ended, and then you can move the picture again. Okay, so hope it helps. See you. Bye bye.